Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Queen Ifeoluwa here, back with another video for you guys. It's really gloomy outside today, but we'll try to make things work with the lighting. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I get ready my makeup routine to start my YouTube channel, or to just get ready like my everyday makeup routine. So you don't need like a lot of product like foundation, concealer, eyeliner just to start a YouTube channel. You seriously don't need it. And today I'm going to be showing you guys just three things I use. Oh, that was two. Three things I use to get ready for my YouTube channel. And number one is this lip oil that I got, I think, for like $1 in my local beauty store. This was $1. And the next item is this clear mascara. I honestly love clear mascara so much. Item is my eyebrow pomade. You know, as you can see, I'm kind of bald in my eyebrows area, so I need to like fill them up a little bit. I'll try to do it with my hair down, which is going to be difficult. Try to do my hair down. So the first thing I use is my clear mascara. I do have another one in my makeup bag right now, but like it doesn't really work for me. I use this clear mascara for my eyelashes and also for my eyebrows, just to get them in place. As you can see, it's all over the place right now. So I need my clear mascara to get my eyelashes and eyebrows in place. Like I told you guys, I need to get a new one because this has finished. I bought it like last year, I think. So I begin by applying coat by coat. I do this for like 3 times, I think, just to like make my lashes really pop up.
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen, royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice.
You might not notice like any kind of change when you do this makeup, because like it's very natural. And I really like it because like it's very natural. You don't need a lot of product going onto your face. And then when like after you're tired, like maybe you go into like an event, you might not want to take your makeup off. But like this is really simple. You can sleep with it, but like you just have to like wash it off after you wake up. Cause then this mascara can get flaky sometimes. Just like after like a few hours when you use it, it can get flaky. You see like white stuff around like your lashes side. But that's like after like it dries so much that it just turns flaky. I'm really bad at applying mascara. I'm just looking elsewhere right now. No, let me look at myself at the mirror. I just need to look at myself at the mirror right now. Just make sure I'm doing it right. Then next I move to like my down lashes, cause like if you just do like the top lashes, you won't really see the difference. So I just like moved down to my down lashes. This is how I apply mine every time. Sometimes you get to my eye, but girl gotta do what I gotta do, right? I'm crying already. My goodness. just need to get a new one. Almost finished. Like, this product right here is like the beauty of everything. It just works wonders on your face. You know, it's kind of face like you make when you apply mascara. It's so weird. And now we're done with our lashes. You notice any difference? So now look, moving on to our eyebrows. My eyebrows is like really kind of annoying sometimes. It's hard to like get them like one shape. So like I have full eyebrows. I've been planning on like shaving them like a long time, but like don't ever shave your eyebrows if they're this bushy. I had to switch cameras because my other camera slash phone, I didn't have like much device memory on my phone, so I had to like switch it. And idiot me that didn't check. I've already done my eyebrows already, thinking I recorded it. But anyways, I just like tried to get my eyebrows in shape with this gel, just like make it stick, to be honest. And that's like how it is. Just like make it stick, really. And then the next item, is my pomade. I got this like in Walmart for like, that was like I think 2 years ago, and it's still this much. This always shows that I seriously don't do any makeup. It's still this much. Oh my goodness. To be honest, I don't like put a lot. I just like take like tiny beads, like this. Like this, just that amount. I just like try to press it where I see that I'm bald. I don't know why I keep saying bald, but like it's bald. It's just like put it just like with like an illusion. I actually have full eyebrows, like for real. Just try to like press it. See? Moving on to the next one. I'm trying to like create a much because like we don't want it to be much. We don't want it to look unnatural. Try to press it there. Try to bald right here. Try to press like just like a little bit, just to make sure that make it look I'm not bald. And that's really it. It's like small procedure. I just gotta follow. And I go again because like this I need to like reshape it. And that's just seriously it for my eyebrows, my lashes. And lastly, we go with our lip oil. This lip oil, when I bought it, it was really good. I literally love this and one other lip. The one too, I really like it. As you can see, it's almost finished. I need to get a new one. I really love these two products right here. They're literally the best. And I just like apply it like as much as I want. Just keep applying. Sometimes I apply like 5 to 6 layers. Let me just make sure that I'm still recording. Okay, still recording. Try to apply like as much as I want. Last one. Then I just go in there after I'm done with this. I just go in there, just like try to wipe off the excess on that. That is all for my makeup. Like literally, this is like your natural beauty guru makeup. I'm not really a beauty guru. I just try to look for something that works for me. If you have something that works for you, that is the best. But like this is literally my everyday makeup routine. that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys picked up like a few tips that I did in this video. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow my socials. They'll be in the descriptions down below. And if you want more of this kind of videos, just comment down below, and I'll do like maybe like a no updated one when I add like more routine to my makeup routine. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye guys.